Ever had a pillow that feels like heaven when you first lie down and then turns into a mini furnace by 3 a.m.? Yeah, me too. That's why I spent the last 30 days sleeping on the Bedgear Night Ice 2.0. It's a high-tech cooling pillow that promises to stay cool, supportive, and customizable. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. In this review, I'm going to break down how this pillow's Vertex cooling fabric, liquid ice core, and dual chamber design actually perform in real life, not just in marketing claims. By the end, you'll know if this is the cooling pillow that finally lets you stop flipping your pillow all night long. So I've been testing this pillow for 30 nights. Same bed, same sheets, same sleep environment to give it a fair shot. Now, I take my sleep gear seriously. I'm the kind of person who can tell the difference between memory foam density and downfill just by pressing my thumb into it. And here's what I noticed immediately. This pillow feels substantial. It's got weight to it, not heavy like a brick, but hefty enough that it stays put and it never collapses under your head. That heft actually works in its favor. It maintains shape, doesn't pancake, and somehow feels more stable under pressure. Think of it as the difference between a cheap paper plate and fine china. Both hold food, but one just feels right. Let's break down what makes the Bedgear Night Ice 2.0 different from your average pillow. First, the cover. The Vertex cooling fabric gives an instant cool-to-the-touch surface. It's not a gimmick, it's a temperature-reactive textile that disperses heat faster than standard polyester or cotton blends. It's not like sleeping on an ice pack, it's more like that fresh side of the pillow feeling built in from the very start. Next, the core. Inside, there's a liquid ice cooling layer that acts like a thermal buffer. It absorbs heat from your head and neck and moves it away from your skin. This helps the pillow feel cooler longer with no hot spots or trapped warmth. Now, in real-world use, after about 3 or 4 hours, the pillow naturally warms to your body temperature. It's not a flaw, it's physics. But when you flip it over, the other side feels refreshingly cool again. It's like a built-in reset button for your comfort. The air vents are another smart feature. You can actually feel air move through the sides when you press on it. That ventilation keeps it drier and fresher overnight, which is great for hot sleepers. Then there's the dual chamber design. One side is soft, the other firm. So if you sleep on your side or back, you can flip it to match your support preference. I started with the softer side, then ended up preferring the firmer one for better neck alignment. Having both options in one pillow is honestly pretty brilliant. And yeah, the cover zips off and can be machine washed. And that's a big deal for people who deal with sweat, allergies, or skin oils, which can break down other cooling fabrics over time, but not this one. This one's easy to clean and still feels just as cool after washing. So after 30 nights, here's my verdict. Comfort, 9 out of 10. Plush, yet supportive. Adapts to head and neck pressure. Cooling, 8.5 out of 10. Noticeably cool on contact, stays that way for hours, then resets with a flip. Durability, 8 out of 10. It never flattened, but shape shifted a slight bit. Maintenance, 9 out of 10. Washable and easy to care for. Price to performance, solid value for the materials and build. Now, it's not a featherweight pillow. It's heavier than most, but I actually consider that a plus. It anchors your head, stays where you place it, and gives that premium feel. Bedgear also makes it in 3 size profiles based on your body type and sleep position, so you can match your pillow height to your frame, which most brands completely ignore. If you've been chasing that cold side of the pillow your whole life, this might be the closest thing science has made to catching it. It's not magic, but it's genuinely one of the most comfortable, durable cooling pillows I've tested. If you like this review and want to help people find it just like you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will know to make this content available to others who can benefit. When we spread the word, everybody benefits. Thank you for watching this review.